are in Carlisle, near the castle, just above me here in the car park. We're all packed, bags are on the bike, everyone's in good spirits. 82 miles today, isn't it? So yeah, 82 miles. So we're gonna head out and hopefully not get lost and get through Carlisle. You ready? Woohoo! So I don't know whether you can hear, it's a bit windy, we're going into headwind. We've crossed into Scotland, we've been through Gretna. But we're currently...
rough, to be honest.
It is quite hard, isn't it? Spirits high, riding's going well. We're going to ride on to Annan and stop there for lunch. Good riding, the route's good so far, so we're on Route 7 at the moment. And yeah, it's going well, enjoying it. Yeah. So we just made it to Annan. We are looking for somewhere to grab some lunch. We've done 28 mile, so just ready for a bit of lunch really. So we'll see if we can find somewhere. So it turns out when we didn't know where the cafe was, we were actually stood on the other side of that wall there. And then luckily as we were leaving, we've managed to find it. So we're just setting up here. How are the legs, Tobe?
Actually, not that great.
Really?
They're alright. I didn't like that busy road down there.
I'm trying to get white on you. There you go.
Right.
It was busy, wasn't it?
It was.
And windy.
Yeah, it's windy.
So Phil, this is a flat day.
Flat day, yeah, this is the flat day. Isn't it, Rich?
Yeah, it's flat day.
Are you training up?
Nah, in fairness to Rich, he did a great job on our route planning.
Well, we've got another one. We don't know that yet, do we?
Well, we don't know that yet. So that's lunch done, we're about to set off and we're going to get cracking. Off we go. So we're up to 45 miles now, where we just saw before where the bikes were. That was Browell. Yeah, we're just riding, getting a bit of sunshine now. Got the hills coming into view there. All going well. This route's pretty good, Route 7. We're just following Route 7 today basically, and it's brought us on a load of paths and sort of bridleways and things like that. We're now going along this river. I will edit in where I am currently now. I am in, because I don't know. So yeah, really good riding. We are 52 miles there about now, making good progress. So we've got like 30 left, and everyone's in good spirits. So it turns out we're in Dumfries. Just a quick coffee in Dumfries.
It was like a
27 miles to go, and then we're going to be Kirkcudbright.
Kirkcudbright. Kirkcudbright.
So I left the cafe, we're on the railway path now, heading out of Dumfries, along to Kirkcudbright. It's pretty cool. Good fun. We're here!
What's this called?
84 miles, did you say? 84 miles done. We're all a bit weary now. Yep, 6:30 in the evening. So we'll get turned around, get everything ready for tomorrow, and then we'll be good to go. Time for drills. Drills.
And then a drill.
And then a drill, whatever that means. Here we are. So staying at the Ankerley guest house in Kirkcudbright. Looks nice. So we're in the hotel as you saw when we arrived. So this is our room, pretty good room. We are sharing double beds. But we've washed kit, turned things around, and where are we going?
Biscuits. And we're off to Selkirk Arms.
Selkirk Arms for some food. Let's
lovely.
do it.